Nei ngā kupu katoa I roto ana hoki a tātou. Hei orango te tinana, hei orango te wairua, te māngai no kairoto, hei tautoko mai. Ai nei aka nei. Ai. Kia kaha maira kia tātou. Kia tautonu, te rangi Māori. May peace be with us all at this time and at this moment. As we gather here to acknowledge the beautiful lives of our whānau, Rā, Aunty Tari, Poi Pākaitore, it has allowed us to come here together today.
Ka hiki te korowai I te kohatu, kariaki na hoki te mamai o te Whangaehu Turia.
And you put a stone on it, sort of makes it all real, you know, and but you know, like just having everyone here, and we've had massive support over the last year from so many people, and I think today really just is an opportunity to thank them for all of their love and support.
Ko tai tau a pāhia Turia me tana wānau no te marae o Whangaehu I te rohe o Wanganui, e noho moke mo te kaiara I takirua o mua o te Pāti Māori, a Kahurangi Tariana Turia, rāua ko tana mokopuna a Pākaitore I mate I te timatanga o te rātau.
Just them being so, you know, dying so close together, and just how boy died, and you know, don't really think, you know, as a result of that, didn't really have time to mourn for our mother because, you know, sort of got taken over with boys passing, and lost our other mum, Nanny Al, you know, we lost some really significant people in our lives.
It almost makes it a bit more real now. Yeah, seeing his face on a headstone, seeing Nan's name on a headstone, makes it a lot more real.
Adored Papa, whose aroha lives on in Arahia and Hawaii. Precious son of Pāhia and Tāmala.
He aroha e kore tonu e motuhia mō tai kārera Turia I tōna hura I te kohatu waka maumahara mō tana tungane a Pākaitore.
I think this year's given us a lot of time to heal, and I don't know that, you know, you can ever heal from something like that, but we're getting there.
For me, you know, losing boys, yeah, it's been tough, bro, you know, but must admit, you know, like today's a big day, and it's another sort of stepping stone, you know, another you know, part of this healing journey, and yeah, just really grateful to be able to, you know, get this day behind us, really.
Aha kua ngū te reo o te kahurangi me tana mokopuna, ka tāngia tonu ko nā kōrero keirunga kohatu, hei ora moto rāua wānau. Te kakenga Kawiti Bashara, Matai Uru News.